So last week on Sunday, so exactly a week ago, Anthony and I made a trip to Mille Lacs, and it was a good day. We only had about a half a day of fishing. We had to get back to the cities, but we boated 4 fish. We each caught 2. The smallest was 2 3/4. We had 2 3.5, one a little over 3.5, and then a 4 1/4. Decent fish. We're hoping to get back on them today. The goal last week was for us to each break the 4-pound mark on smallmouth. Anthony pulled it off. My biggest was 3.88, so I still have yet to break the 4-pound mark. So we're supposed to have about a 3 to 4 mile per hour wind out of the east-northeast. We're going to put in either at Waukon or probably Father Hennepin State Park and fish the Waukon Bay area. We'll have to see how it goes. Hopefully it's a good day. Well, we have made it to Mille Lacs. We've decided to launch at Father Hennepin State Park. We're going to get the boat ready, and next stop we'll see you on the water. I didn't have the camera rolling, but we got our first fish. Well, we just started, so we'll get more today. About a 19-inch. Huh?
Oh yeah, there is.
Oh, yep. Need that?
Yeah.
You got it. Same 4-pounder.
Let's go. I didn't even notice she had it until she was on the other side of the rock. Oh yeah. Oh! Swallowed it a little bit, or what?
What's that with you? Those is your grandpa's.
Here, grab your fish away. Cool.
Gotta grab them tight. They're heavy. Not
0 pounds, 0 ounces. 3 1/4.
Yep. It's such a good fishing eye.
over at what's this place called? Malone Creek, over by McQuaid's, and we're looking for a place for lunch. Apparently 2 miles north of here is called a place called the Boathouse, and we're gonna head there for some lunch.
Just stay off of that.
We just stopped at Dot Boathouse. If you're looking for a good lunch on Mille Lacs, it's your standard bar food. Pretty good place. Looks like they got a decent dinner menu as well. We're gonna leave the launch here and head back to Barnum, and we'll see you guys next time.